Naturaleza Encendida, or Nature On, is a nighttime light experience set in the Royal Botanical Garden of Madrid. Welcome to a new Tips for Trips and AV video. This is a new YouTube channel about travel and technology. Please support the channel and hit subscribe. Well, if you are in the city of Madrid until January 15th, 2023, you can buy tickets to enjoy this beautiful audiovisual show set up inside the Royal Botanical Garden. Named Origin, is being staged one more time to display an era in which the first living beings that lived the Earth can be seen. Already seen by more than 1 million people, this show is also offered in Córdoba. Beautiful beings coming back to life with amazing lights and sweet sounds. I recommend this show for all ages. Children and adults will enjoy watching incredible colors and sounds that are a total delight for the senses. This event takes place outdoors, so it is convenient that you wear warm clothes and comfortable shoes, especially if it rains. In my case, it was very muddy and cold. Tickets can be purchased directly at the box office in Real Jardín Botánico, but I also recommend to buy them directly online on this website. Ticket price is 16 euros per person. If you ask me, it could be a little more affordable. You must also select a time slot for your visit, from 6 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. If you choose to go in a group of 4 people, the ticket price is reduced to 13 euros. Well, at least you get that. They also offer a premium type ticket, which allows you to bypass the queue, as well as cancellation insurance. The price for this premium ticket is 27 euros, and if you ask me, it's not worth it. The duration of the tour is around 40 minutes, but you can do it at your own pace. Nobody rushes you and everything is signposted. I hope you liked this quick video. Please support the channel and hit subscribe. See you soon!